Hello everyone. In previous class we discussed different types of linked list. Those are singular linked list, circular linked list and double linked list. Now in this class we are discussing operation performed on linked list. Once again there are few operations which are performed on linked list. Those are creating a linked list, traversing a linked list, inserting an element into linked list, deleting an element from linked list, searching an element from linked list, merging two or more linked lists. These are the 6 different types of operations which are performed on a given linked list data structure. Now we are going to discuss one by one. First one is creating a linked list. Creating a linked list, which is an operation which is going to be create new node in a given data structure. By creating a new node and combining them all together, which forms a new linked list. That is called as creating a linked list. With respect to stack and queue data structure, we are having specific operation stack and queue operations. Those are used to create respective data structure. But in this, we don't have the particular operation for creating a linked list. To create a linked list, we are having two different operations. Those are by creating a node, we are allowed to create and linked list. That is going to be discussed in later classes. Just you need to remember what you mean by if they ask in examination, mention or write the operation performed on linked list. Just you need to write these 6 different points. That's enough for answer for the operations on linked list. Creating a linked list is a operation which is used to create a linked list. Next one is traversing a linked list. Traversing linked list means visiting each and every node of the given linked list to perform certain operation. Is called as a traversing linked list. Traversing linked list means visiting each and every node of the given linked list exactly once for performing certain operation. Is called as a traversing linked list. In linear data structure as well as operations on non-linear data structure, we see these different types of operations. These are the same operations which are also performing on linked list, but we need to mention in this we are discussing with respect to linked list. You need to be suffix linked list, linked list, linked list, linked list. That's all. Creating a linked list, traversing, inserting, deleting, searching, merging. These are the several operations we see with respect to linear data structure as well as non-linear data structure. You need to apply suffix afterwards these things, which makes operations on linked list. That's all. Traversing means visiting each and every node of a given linked list exactly once for performing certain operation. Is called as traversing a linked list. Inserting an element into linked list. Inserting an element into linked list means linked list contains different types of node. Within those nodes, we need to be inserted particular element at particular position. Is called as inserting a node or inserting an element into given linked list. The next one is deleting an element from the linked list. We are in a linked list that consists of several nodes. Within that linked list, we need to delete a particular data item. That is going to be done with the help of a deleting operation. Deleting is an operation which is going to be deleting a node from the given linked list or deleting an element from the given linked list. The next one is search an element. Searching an element in the linked list. A linked list contains the node contains two different parts. Those are data part, link part. Data part contains actual data item, right? If you want to search a particular data element within the linked list, that is going to be done with help of search operation. Searching is an operation which is going to be finding particular element from the given linked list. Is called as a search an element in a linked list. If we are having a linked list, within that linked list, it is possible to find or locate particular element in a given linked list. The last one is merging two or more linked lists to form a single linked list. The same is merging operation. Merging is an operation which is going to be combining two or more linked lists to form a single linked list. It's called as merging two or more linked lists. Merging is an operation which is going to be combining two or more linked lists to form a single linked list. These are the few operations which are performing on a given linked list data structure, which is important for 3 marks as well as 5 marks. You need to be remember the operation performed on linked list data structure.